Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to show you how we added motion activated lights to our craft closet. We're going to use the Philips Hue Smart Light System. We'll be using the LightStrip Plus kit, 4 extension packs, and a Hue motion sensor. I've been using the Philips Hue system for years, and I love the ease of use and the ability to make the lights any color or mix of colors that I want. We opened up all the packages and started to attach the light strips together. Each package includes a connector, but you can also connect the light strips directly without the connector. With all the light strips attached, we plug them in and open the Philips Hue app. Inside the app, it detects my new light strips. I gave them a name, assigned them to a room, and then I was able to adjust them to any color I wanted. I can also make them different color temperatures within the white spectrum. With the lights set up, time to open up the motion sensor. The motion sensor is set up through the app as well, and I'm going to set it up to automatically turn on the closet lights when it detects motion. The Philips Hue system uses a hub. If you already have the system, then you already have the hub. But if this is your first Philips Hue product, you'll need to attach the hub to your router and set it up through the app. Now we're headed to our craft closet, which we finished putting together a couple months ago. We plugged in the light strips. Mom and I determined the placement of the lights. On the back of the light strips is adhesive that you just pull the backing off of. With that off, I push the lights into place. We went along the entire inside of the closet opening. On the corners, we used a plastic staple to secure the connector while we bent the light strip around the wall. Now there's plenty of light inside of our craft closet. It makes it easy to see all our supplies. But we still need to make these lights automatically come on when I open the closet. The motion sensor comes with a magnet that can be screwed into a surface, but no need for that as it works perfect on our wall control metal pegboard. With that in place and the app set up, now when we open the closet, our lights will automatically turn on, and a fun bonus, we can make the color anything we want. For more projects, please visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe to us right here on YouTube.